I was about to move out from an apartment in Playa del Carmen, but I wasn't quite sure where I was going or what I was gonna do.
Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I am here in Playa del Carmen on top of a penthouse. I stayed here with Maria for a while. She went back to the United States yesterday, so now I'm by myself here in Playa del Carmen. And I actually have to check out the cleaning lady. She's downstairs on the first floor cleaning. So I packed my bag again with all my belongings in life. I've been going around in Mexico in the past more than a year and a half almost, with just my bag. So I actually don't have a place to stay today. I'm homeless at the moment, and I have to take my bag and go somewhere. So I've been looking at my phone to see if I can find somewhere to stay. Oh, it was pretty cool to stay here actually, on top of this penthouse with the beach is over there. But it's time to go, so I'm gonna go down to the second floor, take my bag and head out.
Sometimes it's frustrating, constantly having to move around, but I know I'll have some interesting things to look back on when I'm old. If I stayed in one place my whole life, I would have regrets at the end. I had found another place where I would stay temporarily for a few days.
So now I'm on my way out with the bag. Out to destination unknown. So I came out here on the street, and the bag is packed with all my stuff. I found a place a bit further down here that I'm gonna go and check out. I actually didn't book it. I usually don't book it. I just find it on the map and then I walk over there to see what it looks like. Sometimes it doesn't look like the pictures, so that's why. And also sometimes you get a better price when you actually walk in instead of booking it online. But sometimes you get a more expensive price, and then I just pick up my phone and I book it right there and I get the cheaper price. But then I usually also sometimes ask to see the room first. I actually have a little bit too much stuff. Somehow I accumulated another little bag of stuff. I don't know what I did. Usually I only have this bag, 20 pounds, 10 kilos, so I can bring it as hand luggage on all the flights. But yeah, now I have this one too, and I'm on my way. So it's about a 10-minute walk, or actually maybe a little bit more. Almost 1 mile, I think about 1400 meters, a little bit less than a mile. I was on my way down here to the place, and I met some friends that had seen my videos here. So
Hi, how are you?
they stopped and they offered to give me a ride.
William, you're originally from where?
Sweden.
Sweden, that's
Yeah. I got dropped off here by the place where I'm gonna be staying. It happens every day when I go out on the street since I've been here, that people recognize me. It's nice actually. It's like you have friends everywhere. It happened a lot in the west side of Mexico too, and especially when I come to these well-known travel destinations. So the guy is cleaning my room here now downstairs. There's also a little rooftop here where you can hang out, but seems to be only water tanks here. You can see a little bit of the view here from the street. I might start my drone also.
I was half a mile from the beach, or 800 meters. I would stay here for a few days to have some time to think about where I would go and what I would do.
Hello everybody! Hello everybody! I came into a hotel here, not that far from the beach. I paid $79 for 4 nights, 1600 pesos. There's AC, a flat screen TV, a little kitchen, and also a swimming pool outside. Here is the swimming pool. I really want to jump, but it's too shallow. I might do it anyway. It's not bad in here, it's pretty nice. We're gonna have to try the bed here also. It's been so long since I tried the bed. It looks like the bed could be a bit bad actually, so it might break. Sometimes I wonder why I can never stay in one place, why I just have to keep going. I've been wondering that for the past years actually. For the past couple of years I just went new places every day. I always go to new places. I wonder when I'm gonna settle down and just live somewhere and accept that I should stay in one place. What am I gonna do now? That's the question. In a couple of days I'm gonna go to an island called Isla Contoy. I've been invited to go there and make a video. And then after that, I don't know, maybe I will go back to Sweden. I've been thinking about going back to Sweden for a while now, but I just don't go back. I want to see my parents. I actually do want to jump into the swimming pool, even though it's so shallow. I do want to jump into a little bit of a pool trick. It's pretty nice with the AC here actually, it's so nice. It looks way better on the pictures also. Let's see what's in the here. One plate. You do have one plate actually. I don't know what I'm gonna do today actually. Alright, the moment has come where we have to try to bounce in the bed. It's been a while since I tried it. It looks like it could not be that good of a bounce. I have to try. Oh. I'm just making noises and my back is hitting the bottom. Oh, not very good. We have to try. We have to close the blinds so we have nobody looking inside. The bed is actually horrible, one of the worst beds I've tried, because I base my evaluation on how good the bounce is, how much noise the bed makes, and how soft it is. So the bounce was very bad because I hit my back right away. And then it made a bunch of noises, a bunch of springs in the bed, you could hear it. And then it was not soft either. I think usually you have to pay, or actually I've paid sometimes cheap and I've had a good bed, but a lot of times the good beds are in the expensive places, obviously. You usually get what you pay for in this life. But now, my friends, we're gonna be jumping into the swimming pool. It's really nice that we have an AC in here. So much cold air coming. Hello! Let's go to the swimming pool. So it's only about 2 feet deep here, or 30 centimeters. It's like this deep. But I'm still gonna try to jump from there, in there. I cannot do a flip because then I would injure my ass. I had to wait a bit because the guy that is working here is up there. So we can't jump, he might kick us out of here. Oh, the sun is so good. The frying is good. We just have to go and buy some food at Willys now. Willys. Hello! Now I'm going to Willys. Willys. This is Willys. I don't know what I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy some Humex. This juice is really good. making some food here now in this small kitchen. I came back from Willie's. Bought some bread and cheese and chips and milk and pasta and mayonnaise. I'm gonna make some sandwiches. Now I'm eating some pasta. And tuna. I was gonna try to go down also and see if I can see the sunset from the beach. I was starting to feel a bit wobbly in here. Oh, I don't know if it feels like the floor is uneven, or maybe I'm just going a bit crazy. It's weird. I almost felt like I was on a boat a bit. Whoa, maybe I'm getting sick. All right, I'm gonna head down to the beach and see if I can see the sunset also. And let's see now where I am here in Playa Del Carmen. I am on the 10th Avenue and the 44th Street. I was actually here about 2 weeks ago. I ran up this street when I came from the beach. So I have been here in this neighborhood before. I'm thinking actually of maybe going to Sweden. Maybe have a life there, but it gets so cold in the winter time. It's horrible. The beach is still brown and seaweed everywhere. Now I'm going back home again. Came back and took a nap and it started raining. And I just realized that the rainy season and the hurricane season is really about to start now here in the east part of Mexico. So maybe it's time to go. And this will also be the end of the video, my friends. So as always, if you enjoyed watching, please leave the thumbs up as always and post a comment. Let me know what you think. Or maybe where I should go, maybe if you have any suggestions. Also, don't forget to click the red subscribe button below this video. See you next time, my friends. I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna sleep or I have a fan here also, but it's making a bit of noises. So come along with me and I will ease your pain.